हेलो, माई सेल्फ कांता चौधरी, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट जीपीसी सीकर। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है कास्ट आयरन एंड इट्स टाइप्स। Iron carbon alloy with more than 2.11% carbon, that is called cast iron. It passes through eutectic reaction during solidification और solidification के दौरान eutectic reaction से होकर गुजरता है. Properties: inexpensive, have good fluidity, have low liquidus temperature, readily castable. आसानी से कास्टेबल होता है, इसलिए बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट इससे बनाए जाते हैं. The microstructure of cast iron has two extremes. First, liquid condition austenite plus cementite Fe3C, जिसे white cast iron भी कहते हैं. Second, liquid austenite plus graphite. Graphite formation is promoted by slow cooling, high carbon and silicon content, heavy or thick section size, inoculation particles, presence of S, P, Al, Ni, Sn, Mn, Cu, cobalt, antimony. Formation of cementite Fe3C is favored by fast cooling, low carbon and silicon content, thin sections, alloying element titanium, vanadium, zirconium, chromium, manganese and molybdenum. Type of cast iron: depending upon chemical compositions, cooling rate, type and amount of inoculants that are used we can have. इन पे डिपेंड करता है कि कितने टाइप के कास्ट आयरन होते हैं, किस किस पे, केमिकल कंपोजिशंस पे, कूलिंग रेट्स पे, टाइप एंड अमाउंट ऑफ इनोकुलेंट्स जो कि उसमें यूज़ किए जा रहे हैं. टाइप ऑफ कास्ट आयरन: ग्रे आयरन, वाइट आयरन, मैलेबल आयरन, डक्टाइल आयरन, कॉम्पैक्टेड ग्रेफाइट आयरन. Grey cast iron, the least expensive and most common type, characterized by formation of graphite. Typical composition ranges from 2.5 to 4.0% carbon, 1.0 to 3.0% silica, and 0.4 to 1% manganese. Contains small interconnected graphite flakes that cause low strength and ductility. It is the most widely used cast iron. It is named for the dull grey color of the fractured surface. The grey cast iron are specified by a class number of 20 to 80. Properties: high compressive strength, good machinability, good resistance to sliding wear, good resistance to thermal fatigue, good thermal conductivity, and good vibration damping. Grey cast iron. Applications: damping vibrational energy, base structure for machines and heavy equipments, high resistance to wear, high fluidity at casting temperature, intricate shapes, low casting shrinkage allowance. Strength is not a primarily consideration. Tensile strength 120 to 300 megapascal. Used in small cylinder blocks, cylinder head, pistons, liners, clutch plates, transmission cases, gears, flywheels, water pipes, engine cylinders, brake discs, machinery beds. Now, white cast iron. White cast iron is a hard, brittle alloy containing massive amount of cementite. A fractured surface of this material appears white, hence the name white cast iron. Features promoting formation of cementite over graphite. A low carbon equivalent 1.8 to 3.6% carbon, 0.5 to 1.9% silicon, 0.25 to 0.8% manganese, and rapid cooling. A group of highly alloyed white iron are used for their hardness and resistance to abrasive wear. Applications: brake shoe, shot blasting nozzles, mill liners, crushers, pump, impellers, and other abrasion resistant parts. Wear resistant surface, example as rollers in rolling mills. Generally, white iron is used as an intermediary in the production of yet another cast iron, malleable iron. White fractured surface, no graphite because carbon forms cementite or more complex carbides. Abrasion resistant, often alloyed, formed by the heat treatment in range of 900 degrees centigrade of unalloyed 3% carbon white cast iron. Carbon equivalent 2.5% carbon, 1.5% silica. The cementite dissociate into its component elements such as graphite clumps or nodules. It exhibits better ductility than grey or white cast iron. It is also very machinable. The production steps: first stage graphitization, cementite decomposition to the stable austenite and graphite fuses. Second stage graphitization, slow cooling through eutectoid temperature to make ferritectic malleable iron. When austenite is cooled in air or oil, perlite malleable iron is obtained. Perlite or martensite. Drawing. Drawing is a heat treatment that tempers the martensite or spheroidized the perlite. Applications: connecting rods, transmission gears, differential cases for the automotive industry, flanges, pipe fittings, wall parts for railroad, marine, and other heavy duty services. Parts of powertrains of vehicles, bearing caps, steerings. Ductile or nodular cast iron contains spheroidal graphite particles produced by treating liquid iron with a carbon equivalent of near 4.3% with magnesium. Steps: desulfurization. Calcium oxide is used to remove sulfur and oxygen from the liquid. Nodulization. Magnesium is dilute from MgFeSi alloy, magnesium ferrous silicon alloy, is added. A residual of 0.03% magnesium must be present after treatment in order for spheroidal graphite to grow. Then inoculation. Heterogeneous nucleation of the graphite is essential. Fading. Fading occurs by the gradual, non-violent loss of magnesium due to vaporization and reaction with oxygen. Ductile or nodular cast iron applications: valves, pump bodies, crankshafts, high strength gears, heavy duty gears, and machines, rollers, slides, die material having high strength and high ductility. Inoculation with Ce or Mg or both causes graphite to form an spherulites rather than flax, also known as spheroidal graphite Sg and nodular graphite iron, far better ductile than grey cast iron, less hard and brittle, very weak in tension due to the pointed and sharp end of graphite flakes where the failure of component initiated at this point. Good during compression, which graphite acts as a cushion or sponge that could absorb the compression energy. Low shrinkage in mold due to formation of graphite flakes. Good dry bearing qualities due to graphite. White cast iron summary. The composition of carbon and silicon content for white cast iron are in range between 2.5 to 4% and less than 1.0% respectively. With a rapid cooling rate, most of the carbon in the cast iron consists of pearlite and cementite. The mechanical characteristics of white cast iron are as follows: relatively very hard, brittle, and not weldable compared to grey cast iron. Since it is obtained from rapid cooling process, when it is annealed, it becomes malleable cast iron. A fractured surface of these alloys has a white appearance and it is called white cast iron. Typical uses: necessities a very hard and wear resistant surface such as rollers in rolling mills, railroads, wheeler. Ductile nodular cast iron summary. Ductile cast iron, which is sometimes called nodular or spheroidal graphite cast iron, it gets this name because its carbon is in the shape of small spheres, not flakes. Magnesium or cerium is added to the iron before casting occurs. The effect of these materials is to prevent the formation of graphite flakes during the slow cooling of iron. The structure of the cast iron is mainly pearlite with nodules of graphite. A heat treatment process can be applied to a pearlite nodular iron to give a microstructure of graphite nodules in ferrite. The ferrite structure is more ductile but has less tensile strength than the pearlite form. It's also weldable. Uses: valves, pump bodies, gears, crankshafts, and other machine components. Malleable cast iron summary. Malleable cast iron is produced by the heat treatment of white cast iron. Heating white iron at temperature 800 centigrade to 900 centigrade for 50 hours on a neutral atmosphere to prevent oxidation causes a decomposition of the cementite, forming graphite in the form of clusters, rosettes surrounded by a ferrite or pearlite matrix, depending on cooling rate. The mechanical characteristics of malleable cast iron is similar to nodular cast iron and give high strength and more ductility and malleability. The silicon content is low. Effect of alloying elements. General characteristics of white cast iron. White cast iron contains chromium to prevent formation of graphite upon solidification and to ensure stability of carbide phase. Usually nickel, molybdenum, and copper are alloyed to prevent the formation of pearlite. When a matrix of martensite is desired, fall into three major groups. First, nickel chromium white cast iron containing 3 to 5% nickel, 1 to 4% chromium, identified by the name of nickel hard 1 to 4. Second, the chromium molybdenum iron, high chromium irons, 11 to 23% chromium, 3% molybdenum, and sometimes additionally alloyed W nickel or copper. 25 to 28% chromium white cast iron contains other alloying addition of molybdenum and nickel up to 1.5%. Now all conclusion about that. Cast iron and historical significance. Used throughout history since its discovery, stepping stone to development of the modern technology. Modern technology where first steam engine is made. Type of cast iron and microstructure. Grays, whites, ductile and malleable. Applications mainly automotive, industrial, household, aeronautical and construction. Sample analysis and comparison for identification and classification. capability to analyze and compare microstructures to define cast iron types, and hardness measurement to identify heat treatment. This is all about cast iron. Thank you.